everybody, this video is to help you refresh how to do long division the way we have been practicing it in the classroom. We have been learning one step long division. Now we have been learning how to divide using the tables we have been practicing in the classroom, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, and 10. Now, the first step for our long division is knowing what our equation is. For example, if I give you an equation such as, let's say, 80 divided by 9 equals blank, right? We would first have to do our little house, casita, put the 80 inside, and put our 9 on the outside. Now we have to think in the 9s table, how many 9s fit in 80? In other words, which multiplication table with the 9s can I use to get really close to 80, but I cannot pass 80? Now, if you know your tables, maybe you say, well, 9 times 9 is 81. Good, but that's too big. So we need the one that comes right before it, which would be 9 times 8. And that would be 9 times 8 equals 72. If you notice, I put the 8 here first, all right? And then on the bottom, I put my 72, which is the answer to 9 times 8. Now I need to subtract. Now you say, well, 0 minus 2, I can't do that. I need to regroup. All right, and then I borrow from the neighbor. Now I say 10 minus 2 is 8, and then 7 minus 7 is 0. This was my third step, subtracting. I have an 8. All right, so my answer is 8 with a remainder of 8, which I would put right here. All right, this is just a little refresher of what we have been learning. All right, guys, good luck. Now it's your turn to do the worksheet.